at Desman Engineering in Blidworth, and I'm with Phil, the production manager. Phil, talk me through who you are as a company here at Desman Engineering.
Desman Engineering, we're a precision engineering company. We have lots of large machining, so that's where we specialise in the industry. We have some machines that go up to 2.4 metres diameter, and then we've also got the smaller range of machines that we can turn small screws, so we've got the full range.
You have recently made an investment, and we're going to come on to that in just a few moments, but can you talk me through some of your most impressive machines?
We've got the vertical borers. All these vertical borers, we've got two of them, 2.4 metre diameter swing. They've also got live tooling as well. So where we used to do jobs on 5-6 operations, these machines cut the operations down. We can do them in 2 to 3 ops, which makes it a lot more competitive.
Okay, and the current climate, we can see that you're still working here. What have you got in place?
We're checking people's temperature every day when they come in. We've also introduced the social distancing. We've got signs. We've kept working. We've got hand sanitizers.
You're putting all the right things that you need to do in place. And talk me through your most recent investment and what capacity this machine has.
Well, this machine behind me, the Hwacheon 1150, it's got a 1350 swing and a metre high. So it's a big machine. It's a big machining centre, or vertical lathe. We've got the normal turret of 12 tools. We've actually had an extended turret on these. So we've now got 24 tools on this machine, which will make jobs a lot faster. It means we can do a lot more without taking jobs off this machine and putting them on other machines.
Have you invested in any other extras with this machine?
At the minute, we have ordered some more live tooling, so we can have more driven tooling on the machine, and we've also had a new crane and swapped the cranes around, so obviously we can load it.
If I'm looking to place work with Desman Engineering, what am I going to get for my money?
At Desman Engineering, we've got the full range of machines from small up to very large. We've got aerospace accreditation, we've got the full inspection department, and we also offer a lot of other bolt-on bits to our business as well, like washing, scraping, all sorts of things.